How to use multiple accounts in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store, download this clone app Parallel Dual Space. After you've installed the app, open the app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and search for Roblox. If you find Roblox, click on the plus icon. Then type in Roblox 1. Press on clone at the bottom. Again, click on the plus icon. Select Roblox. I'll add 2 and press on clone. After it's cloned, click on Roblox 1 first. After it starts, go to the clone app. Click on Roblox 2. As you can see, it is not available for my account, so after you click on Roblox 2, what you could do is simply it will open Roblox on your device. Now you have 2 Roblox playing. What you need to do is simply hold on to the first page and go to the clone app. Click on the other Roblox. It will start, and with this you have 2 Roblox. Hold on to 1 Roblox. Click on split screen and split as you want. And after you do that, it will allow 2 Roblox apps playing, syncing together in one device at the same time. And this is how to use multiple accounts in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.